Are you ready to get rich? I'm talking about serious money, no gimmicks. Here's the truth. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we make money, and it's about to change your life. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how AI can make you rich in ways you've never imagined before. Stick around, because the future of wealth starts now. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Why AI is the key to unstoppable wealth. So why is AI such a game changer? We're all hearing about AI in the news, but here's the kicker. It's not just for tech geeks or big corporations, it's for you. Imagine having a tool that not only makes decisions faster than you, but also learns from its mistakes and gets smarter over time. Imagine using that tool to predict market trends, make smarter investments, and even automate your daily income. This isn't just theory, it's happening right now, and AI is your ticket to the kind of wealth that others can only dream about. Today, I'll show you how to tap into that power. The AI revolution, how it's shaping the future of money. AI is already shaping the future of money in ways we can't fully grasp yet. The AI revolution is not about replacing jobs or making things more complicated. It's about enhancing your ability to create wealth faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Think about AI's role in predicting the next big thing. Whether it's real estate prices, cryptocurrency fluctuations, or even the best time to launch a product, AI is there, helping you make more informed decisions that would have taken months or even years of expertise to figure out. It's like having a personal financial assistant that works 24/7, 365 days a year for you. Examples of people already making big money with AI still skeptical? Let me tell you about people who are already making serious money with AI. Meet John. He's a real estate investor who used an AI-powered tool that analyzed thousands of properties and pinpointed the best investment opportunities. His AI tool didn't just give him numbers. It analyzed local markets, crime rates, school rankings, and even upcoming developments in the area. In 1 year, his property portfolio grew by 300%. Or how about Sarah? She started an online business using AI tools to automate her customer service, marketing, and product recommendations. Her sales are up by 400% since integrating AI into her operations. AI-powered passive income streams. Now let's talk about passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, AI is your golden ticket. AI-powered tools like affiliate marketing automation and automated e-commerce platforms are turning dreams into reality. For example, AI algorithms can track which products are trending, optimize ad spending, and even create personalized shopping experiences for your customers automatically. Imagine making money on autopilot. You don't have to worry about running a store because AI is doing all the heavy lifting, and this can all happen without you having to spend hours in front of a computer screen. How AI can help you create your own business. Building a business from scratch can feel overwhelming, but with AI, the barriers to entry have never been lower. Let's say you've always wanted to start an online store or a digital marketing agency. AI can automate everything from your email marketing campaigns to customer interactions, allowing you to focus on growth and strategy. Need help creating the perfect product? AI can generate product ideas based on market demand, customer reviews, and social media trends. Need to find clients? AI-powered tools like LinkedIn automation can target the right prospects, send personalized outreach, and even schedule your meetings. You can run a successful business from anywhere in the world with minimal effort. AI in real estate. How to buy property. Like a pro, AI isn't just about online business, it's also transforming industries like real estate. Imagine using AI tools to forecast which areas will see the most significant appreciation in property values. Whether you're buying for rental income or flipping properties, AI can help you make data-driven decisions that lead to big profits. AI can also help with property management by automating rent collection, maintenance scheduling, and tenant communications. That's right, you could own a fleet of rental properties managed by AI, collecting monthly rent payments while you focus on scaling your empire. Investing made easy. Let AI do the work for you. So you're thinking, okay, AI sounds great, but what about investing? How can I start? Well, it's easier than you think. AI-powered investment platforms are already doing the hard work for you. These platforms analyze millions of data points from stock market trends to crypto market behaviors and provide you with smart investment options tailored to your goals. No more guessing games. With AI, you can minimize risks and maximize returns automatically. All you need to do is get started. How you can start using AI today. So, how do you get started? First, don't wait for the perfect moment. AI tools are available now. Start small by experimenting with 1 or 2 AI-driven platforms. If you're into investing, try AI trading platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment. Want to launch an online business? Look into AI tools like Shopify, which offer automated marketing and customer service. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Just jump in, learn as you go, and watch your wealth grow. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The future of wealth is here, and AI is the key to unlocking it. If you're ready to take your financial future into your own hands, now is the time to start using AI. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to make money with AI. Leave a comment below if you're ready to take action, and I'll help you get started. Your future of wealth starts now. Don't let it pass you by.
AI Cybertech.